Happy birthday, Bea. I miss you so much. And may you grow in the knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. And always remember that you are a gift from God. And you always obey your parents and be a good girl always. Study hard. And praying that next year, dito ka naman mag-birthday. I love you. I love you with the love of the Lord and miss you and Jacob. God bless.
Happy birthday, Bea. Happy birthday, Sabia. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sabia. Kiss, playing kiss. Playing kiss. Playing kiss. Ah.
Hi Ate Bia! Happy 7th birthday from Tito Jan. More blessing to you.
Anong turo? O, tro. Sige na, tro. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Kavia. Happy birthday, Kavia. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Savia.
Yay! Happy birthday siya, Bea. Thank you.
Hello, B. Happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday, B. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Wish you all the best, B. Study hard. Then, mag-pray always. I miss you so much, B. I hope na si teacher diha niya. Wala manggod si teacher. Walay kwarta si teacher. Walay plate sa aeroplano. Enjoy kasi mong day, B. I hope enjoy ka din ha. Sa mong mga playmates, sa mong mga classmates. Soon, magkita ratabi ha. Muan haragin si teacher o si Tito Atan. Ha? I love you so much, B. God bless you always. Good girl always, B, ha? Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, baby love sa Bea.
7 years old ka na. Grabe kadali sa panahon. Before, baby pa ka. Karon dako na kayo ka.
Sabia, proud ka ayo minimo. You're such a smart, kind, and a loving sister. Ang imong katawa, lambing, kay makapawala jud sa among kakapoy. Bisan layo mami nimo, ayaw kalimot nga love ka namo always og ang imong little brother Jacob.
Every day, every night, ginapray na mo kamo nga maging healthy o malipayon per me.
Enjoy sa imong birthday, enjoy sa bodol fight together with your friends.